Sam from EasyTradingSignals.com, and I just wanted to show you this a quick sort of live overview of the trading this morning. It is September 21st, 2020, and what I want to just quickly point out to you while this is going on, I'm basically done for the day, so I'm not going to trade further, and that's why I thought I'll quickly make this video while I don't have to focus on my trading. But I want to show you the levels here. So the first one is here on AMD, 1 minute. You'll see that right here in the beginning when the market opened, it drew a level right about here. And then the very next bar, it actually went and touched it. And we got a confirmation from the trailing arrows, and that was a massive move up. And as soon as it started topping, you can see that the little crosses up there warn you that it might be the end of this move. And you also see the actual size of the candlesticks getting smaller, and that's also normally a good indication that you need to get out, which was exactly what I did. So that was a great trade. Here we have another little nice setup, just bouncing off the 9, but also want to show you some of the other stocks, and so let's just quickly go through those. Here's NIO today, and as you can see, same thing, it drew the levels here for us. That is important, and it pretty much bounced around there. And also right here we had the indication with the trailing arrows, and then directly after that it basically just touched this trend level over here and then just zoomed up. We got a warning that the trend might be ending and exited. This here obviously could have been another little push up. It didn't work out, but you would have known very soon, and then you could have caught this trailing arrow trade down. And here at the same time, once we hit this 50 EMA, it basically warned you that there might be some changes there, which is in fact exactly what happened, and then it continued. So overall, really awesome trading this morning. You'll also notice divergence over here on the demarker indicator. You have 2 peaks in price, 2 peaks in the marker, and you have divergence over here with this going higher and this going lower. So that is brilliant. So perfect setup here as well. And as you can see, it's just crashing down further. And then let's just move on quickly to NKLA. Once again, here you can see in the pre-market we had lots of indications that this was a level to watch out. We initially had a breakdown, and then we had this warning over here that things might be consolidating or reversing. That didn't in fact happen. Once it broke through this level that was indicated prior, it just zoomed up. We got our warnings, and at the same time we have this level here, which you can see it basically bounced around until it became support, and it seems to be heading up now. But once again, absolutely fantastic setup. Then here we have another little setup on Apple. Once again, we have the trading levels here, breakout levels here. We basically picked up right as the market opened that there might be some resistance at this level. That didn't in fact happen. It dropped down, and then we had 2 indications here at the same time. We had the red cross, meaning that we're probably not going to be heading down further, and we have the arrow at the same time, and we have the breaking of the breakout levels. And here we have a very nice confirmation. We basically sat right on it. went up, we got a little warning, but even that was a very nice little trade. A little warning that it might be heading sideways or dipping down. It did do that, went down to the 9, went down to the 20, slightly breaking through the 9, and then we have had our new levels here. We can see it obeyed them, basically touched them here, then broke through, and now it's rocketing up. And now we have another little warning here that, hey, it might be a good idea to take some profit off the table. In other words, take a partial. So let's say if you did 100, you would maybe take, whatever you feel like, 25 or 50 or whatever off the table, just to be on the safe side and lock some profits in. But that's what I wanted you guys to see, just a quick overview of what's going on. That's for stocks, and let's take a quick look at GBPUSD. This was also a massive trade, over 100 pips over here, and 9 risk reward ratio of 9-1. That is astounding. So a very nice trade over here. So you can see we had our levels, we had our warnings. Let me zoom in so you can see that a little bit better. We had our trading arrow earlier on this 50 MA. Then we had a warning that we might be heading into consolidation or a reversal. We had our breakout levels, and we had our trading signal with a trading arrow, and then we had some more confirmation here with the breakout levels, and it just absolutely just dropped down. Warning here to take some profits, which would always be a prudent thing. But yeah, overall, realistically, we probably have gotten out here once it started turning, and once the candlesticks started getting smaller, as you can see over here, and making a little curve over there. And that is a very nice trade. So a little bit of something for everyone, a little bit of Forex, nice stock trading. And there, as you can see, we had a warning, and the Apple did in fact start turning around. So that's what I wanted to show you. Not a very long song and dance, just a quick update on what the market's doing today, what the trading looked like, and most importantly, what these indicators can do for you in your live trading. So if you like that, please like and subscribe, watch some of the other videos as well, and I'll see you next time. Thank you very much for watching.